Oh, all right. So guess what we're doing today?
Painting!
Painting, yes. So I guess I'm going to start over here, but this is how my laundry room looks. Yeah, it's a little cluttered right now with a lot of camping stuff and games up there and
before and after.
Yeah, this is my before and after.
Yeah.
So I'm going to paint them white. Yes, so they can go along with this nice little light blue grayish walls. But yeah, so just follow us on our journey. Or my journey, because Dad's fixing the trailer.
And here's the after. You can see how it turned out. So let's go see what we did to get to this point. Alright, so here we go. Cabinet doors have been removed from the cabinets. So that way the cabinet faces, everything can be painted. I'm not going to worry about painting the inside of the cabinets. But we have the doors down here ready to go. Have doors over here ready to go. And then all of the hardware, everything right there in the bucket. Yep.
So guys, now we're outside. All the cabinet doors are off of the cabinets and we're going to go ahead and paint them white. We'll start off by painting the back of them and then the front once the back dries off. Got all our utensils, I'd say, all of our materials in other words. And well, let's get started. we're done here with the back of the cabinet doors. I'm going to let them dry off, and while that is happening, I'm going to go ahead and go into the laundry room and start taping the edges of the cabinet since we're not taking them down. So we're going to tape where the wall is at so that wall doesn't get painted, by accident with white paint. So let's go prepare. Alright, I'm going to start over here. Got my tape. Got some scissors just in case. I'm going to be painting the sides, obviously, not the inside. So all of that stuff is pushed back, so there's no need to worry. So let's do this. First coat is done. I'm going to wait for it to dry off a bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat on it. And while that's going on, I'm going to go outside and see if those doors are done. If so, I'm just going to flip them over and paint those while this is getting dried. All right, let's keep going. Are done. Yay! So it's time to go back inside and put another 2 coats on our laundry cabinets in there. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so far the missus did really well. Got the cabinets all painted. Already started putting one door in. I got done putting the hinges on all those, which I still need to tighten this one down because obviously the drill doesn't fit in here. But let's go grab the rest of the doors from outside, bring them in, and let's get to hanging them up.
He said we were gonna go with the color of the hardware. Light up. What if I need to paint it? The little things.
Can you do that one?
Yes, I can. I have no problem.
It's kind of tight. You gotta push it in there hard.
Oh my goodness.
You can do it.
Oh, alrighty. What the hell happened here? Why did you take it out? Why did you take it out again?
The hinges?
Yeah.
So you can paint.
These were on already.
No, this one had never been tightened down yet.
Is that like that with all the other ones?
Mm. So all the other ones, like, you use the powered drill.
Yeah. And we just finished putting the door knobs or handles on our laundry room cabinet.
And hopefully you guys are enjoying our journey thus far as we're knocking out one room at a time, basically getting the house ready to sell. So we definitely appreciate all of our new subscribers that have come in to follow us, and as we continue on this journey of life and getting ready to move.
Yeah, closing one door to open a new one.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, and I don't think it's just a chapter, it's like a whole new book. So
Yeah.
But definitely check out all the links we have down in our description. Bonfire Store, our affiliate to ISOtunes. 100% of all those proceeds goes right back to the autism community.
Yep.
We definitely appreciate ISOtunes.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, you got anything else, babe?
No, nothing else. I think we're ready to go and do some more to-do list stuff.
Yeah, I gotta get back into that bathroom.
Yeah, you do. I gotta go to the shop or the store to get light fixtures, footboardings, you know.
A whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, that's for another video. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye-bye now.
Ciao.